Welcome back to Fluentors. This is day 3 of our 7-day Speak Like a Native challenge. So far, you've mastered short phrases and short forms. Today, we'll learn expressions native speakers use every day, the ones that make your English confident and alive. Shadow me line by line with energy, a smile in your voice, and feel excited about speaking English naturally. Don't forget to follow the Fluentor series daily. Each day builds on the last, so stay consistent and see your English fluency improve fast.
I'm Dina, and today on Fluentors, we'll focus on sounding confident in real-life conversations. Every expression you learn today is a tool to join conversations smoothly, naturally, and confidently. Listen carefully, repeat after me exactly, and shadow my tone, rhythm, and emotion. Don't rush. Focus on feeling the words like a native speaker. If you've been following days 1 and 2, you're already ahead. Keep practicing daily on Fluentors and watch your confidence grow. These are the phrases that make your English sound natural. Native speakers use them all the time, and today you'll learn to use them without thinking twice. Shadow each line aloud, mimic my intonation, and repeat 2 to 3 times. Feel free to exaggerate your emotions. This trains your mouth and brain to speak fluently. Keep practicing these expressions today, tomorrow, and every day. You'll be amazed at how quickly your English improves. Let's try. First one is no way, meaning surprise, disbelief, shock, positive or negative. How intonation changes. Voice rises sharply. No way! Sounds quick, surprised. Shadow. Repeat after me. No way! Surprised, rising tone. No way! That's unbelievable! In cheerful mode. No way! Repeat after me. No way! You really did that? 2. I guess. Giving opinion casually. In thoughtful mode, you can say, I guess that's fine. In casual mode, you can say, I guess we could try it tomorrow. In relaxed mode, you can say, I guess you're right about that. Let's try. First one is no way, meaning surprise. Number 3 is let's see. Let's shadow. Repeat after me. Let's see. Maybe we can go later. Let's see. I'm not sure about that. This expression makes your English sound reflective and natural, like a real speaker thinking aloud. Pause slightly after let's see when you use it, just like natives. 4. Another one is by the way, adding extra info naturally. Let's try in sentence. By the way, I saw your message. By the way, did you finish your project? By the way, I have some news for you. Practice using this at the start of your sentences. It connects ideas smoothly. Adding small expressions like, by the way, makes your English sound polished and fluent. 5. The last one is, that sounds good. Awesome. Perfect. Agreeing or approving. Let's shadow. Follow my rhythm. That sounds good. Awesome! Let's do it! Perfect! I'll be there. Shadow these phrases loudly and confidently, even exaggerating your tone to feel natural. Using positive responses shows confidence. This makes native speakers feel like you belong in the conversation. Section 2. Real-life shadowing dialogue. Now we'll combine all expressions in a real conversation. Shadowing real-life dialogues helps your brain think and speak in English automatically. Shadow both sides exactly. Repeat 2 to 3 times and gradually increase your speed. Pay attention to rhythm, emotion, and short pauses between phrases. Do this daily. Your fluency will improve faster than you expect. Scenario. Let's shadow a conversation where 2 friends planning a weekend outing.
Hey, any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why? Something fun?
I was thinking we could go hiking.
No way! That sounds awesome.
Yeah, I guess the weather will be good.
Let's see. I might be free on Saturday.
By the way, I invited Sarah and John too.
Perfect. I love group hikes.
Awesome. We could meet at the trailhead around 8 a.m.
8? That's kinda early, but I guess it works.
Come on, the earlier we go, the cooler it'll be. Plus, fewer people.
Fair enough. Do we need to bring anything special?
Maybe just water, snacks, and good shoes. Oh, and sunscreen. Lots of sunscreen.
Right. I always forget that. Last time I got completely sunburned.
Seriously? Again?
Yeah, don't remind me.
Anyway, Sarah said she might bring her camera. She wants to film the whole thing.
Oh, cool. She always takes amazing photos.
John also mentioned he knows a shortcut to the waterfall.
Wait, there's a waterfall? You didn't tell me that.
Yep, it's a small one, but it's super pretty. You'll love it.
Okay, now I'm 100% in. This sounds like the perfect weekend.
Great. I'll make a group chat and share the plan.
Nice. Just let me know what time we're leaving so I can wake up on time.
Don't worry. I'll call you if you oversleep.
You better, otherwise I'll miss the waterfall and blame you forever.
Deal. See you Saturday then.
See you. Can't wait.
Section 3. Motivation and instruction for practice. Day 3 is all about speaking naturally and confidently. Every expression you learn today is a tool to join conversations effortlessly. Even if you stumble, shadow and repeat. Focus on tone, rhythm, emotion, and connected speech. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Your mouth and brain will train themselves. Stay consistent, follow the series every day, and you'll be amazed at how fast your English improves. Home practice. Shadow each expression 3 to 5 times, such as, "No way!" "I guess." "Let's see." "By the way." "That sounds awesome." Practice the weekend dialogue out loud. Record yourself and compare with native rhythm. Use these expressions naturally in conversations today. Share your progress, follow the series, and keep practicing daily. Fantastic work today! If you've completed days 1,
2, and 3 on Fluentors, your English is already starting to flow naturally and confidently. Tomorrow, in Day 4, we'll do a full shadowing drill to improve rhythm, intonation, and fast speech, combining everything you've learned so far. Keep shadowing, speaking aloud, and following the Fluentors series. Consistency is the secret to speaking like a native.